Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to put a picture on top of music on Instagram. And the first thing you need to know is for doing this process, you need to have the option of recording your screen, the screen of your phone, because you need to doing a story, for example that video. You need to recording your screen. When you prepare this story, you put the photo you want to post and the music you want to put the photo on it. So after you got this video, you recording your screen with this story and discard this story. You upload this video, and you need to go to the option of the stickers here, and you need to go to the option to upload another picture. And after that, you need to find a picture with the same ratio of the music, the cube of the music. For example, here, this is I can prepare this, put this song, this picture, and cover the all the music of the presentation of the music. And after that, if you want to put this same music, you need to go again in the stickers, and you need to find the option of music. You find the same music you put in the video, but you put the music, just the music, without letters, without a picture of the music, and that's it. You complete the process. You can put another picture in this music, and that's it. Remember, you need to have the option of recording your screen. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.